Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This 7-minute meditation is a gentle space to help you release the pain of the past, forgive, and set yourself free. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It means letting go. For your own peace, it's not about condoning, it's about choosing to stop carrying the weight. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let's begin. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. With each breath, let your body soften. Let your chest feel open. Let your chest feel open. Let your heart become spacious. You are not here to relive pain. You are here to release it, lovingly, courageously. Now, imagine someone or something you're ready to forgive. Maybe it's a person, or maybe it's yourself. See them standing a few feet in front of you, surrounded by a soft light. There's no need for words, just presence. Now breathe in love. And as you exhale, silently say, I release the grip this pain has had on me. I choose peace instead of resentment. If emotions arise, let them. You are healing. You are safe. Now, speak these words in your heart. I forgive for my own healing. I release what no longer serves me. I am ready to move forward. I free myself from the weight of the past. I choose peace for me. Let these words vibrate through your heart like a warm wind clearing old dust. Feel the lightness in your chest now. You've let go, even just a little. That's more than enough. Take one last deep breath in. Hold it and exhale it all out. Place your hand on your heart if it feels right. Thank yourself for showing up today with bravery, honesty, and love. When you're ready, gently return to the space around you and know that peace is yours now. Thank you for joining this meditation. Like, comment, and subscribe to Soul Sanctuary for more healing practices.